कित्या खातीर इम्पॉर्टंट?
Today is World International Conservation Day for mangroves. We have seen now today the scientists have already flagged alarm on global warming and sea level rise. At this occasion, it is very important for the government to understand the importance of environment. We have seen during the rains, पाऊस पडला ते has created havoc not only in Goa but across India. So which is very evident that climate change is now, not tomorrow. So on this occasion, it is we have done this cleanliness drive, and the importance of mangroves, which is a protected species under the Wildlife Protection Act, has to be protected, and government has to go all out to grow more such kind of species like mangroves asu, nalar screw pine asu, nalar forestry trees asu. So Magta Forest Minister, we have seen lately that he has converted more than 22 lakh square meter of land or green land into settlement. So if this such kind of destruction continue, then we do not know what is going to happen to Goa, because there are already studies where many of the cities of Goa, including Vasco, is likely to go underwater. So government has to work a long-term strategy how such kind of destruction will not happen in the future.
Because mangroves are really important part of Goa, and most of the part of the Goa is fulfilled with mangroves. People don't understand what are mangroves, and most of them are like they are just destroying the Goa. They are just like only growing up and nothing. They are doing nothing. But they are actually the coastal guards who really protect us, and because of them we are safe over here, or they protect us from heavy winds and all those stuff. So it's our it should be our initiative to clean up the garbage near them, and also be keeping the environment clean is very much important.
Because mangroves do 5 times better than the normal plant in carbon sequestration, absorbing the carbon and putting it to the ground. So why bin तुम्ही book करतो, आणि तुमकां जर तर आनी कोणाकय हेज्यो कॉपीज जाय जाल्यार we will get these copies so that you can distribute to your friends. Today being the International Day of Conservation for Mangroves. So St. Joseph's College along with One Earth Foundation.
Yeah.
Today is the 26th of July. It is the day of conservation of mangroves, and we the students of Regina Modi are here to be a part of this cleanup drive.
Madam, what sorts of garbage you found?
Yeah, we have found a lot of plastic over here, a lot of Pampers also over here, and we have also seen a lot of drinking bottles, as beers and all other things are also there. And being a part and cleaning up this mangroves, I think is very important, because they are playing a very important role in our ecosystem. They are actually saving our coastlines. They are saving everything from basically from the soil erosions. And even if we have any natural calamities and all, they are the protectors for us.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.